Over 300 years ago, in the remote village of Kerekatte, a farmer unearthed a small wooden statue of Saint Antony while plowing his field. Though the people were non-Christians, they were drawn to the statue and began to venerate it. In 1684, Saint Joseph Vaz, the apostle of Sri Lanka, visited the site and placed the statue in a thatched hut for public devotion. Thus began the powerful devotion to Saint Antony in Kerekatte. Today, this miraculous shrine continues to draw pilgrims seeking healing, hope, and blessings. Come, discover the untold story of faith that still echoes through generations.